Hey YouTube, how's it going? Retro Dave Nintendo back with another video, and guys, this is going to be another special video. I've got a package arrived today, and it is my final piece of the PAL SNES puzzle, and another Holy Grail SNES game to add to the collection. So this is going to be basically saving the best till last. Not quite sure what order I'm going to put my pickup videos in, at what point you're going to see this. But basically, as it stands now, I have all the PAL SNES games I want, all box complete, and I'm missing one game that I've had loose cartridge for, what, about 2 years, maybe 3 years, and I've been looking for a mint box complete copy for some time. The price is going up and up and up. I missed out on one about 3 months ago, which I was gutted about, and then this one came up at the weekend, and I pounced on it within the hour. And I was messaging the seller, asking questions and saying, will you take offers? And he was like, oh, I'm not sure, I want to kind of see what offers come in. I thought, well, I lost out last time through waiting, so I thought, no, I'm just gonna pull the trigger and I'm gonna get it. And I've got it, and I've not opened it yet, so this is gonna be like live reaction video, just like I did with the last one. So I've got my USA SNES Holy Grail, I've done the video for that. This is the PAL SNES Holy Grail. So yeah, go back and check the SNES one if you're interested. But yeah, this is the PAL Super Nintendo game. My last one, the last PAL SNES game, guys. The one that I've been waiting to get for the longest time. And it is in this little box. I've just done the return label off the back there. So it's a little box like this. Special delivery. So we're going to open it live on camera. And in the pictures it looks amazing in the photograph, so I'm hoping it's going to be just as amazing in here. So it sounds like it's been packaged really well. So we get one take at this, guys, one try. So we're just gonna open it up and go for it. So pull off the tape, the paper. So it's been sent in a cat food box. So Felix the cat food. Right, so then let's open this up. Just putting the tape off the side. Right, nice and easy. Oh yes. Mate, I'm seriously so excited about now. Well, this needs to. Right, I just need to inspect it. Okay, it's well packaged. So again, in the photographs, this looks absolutely mint as you like, and it's looking that way so far. But again, we just want to get out the bubble wrap first. Yeah, that's really, that is really nice. Literally like the smallest of marks. I mean, it's mint, literally mint condition. Ready, guys? Box complete, mint condition. PAL Sunset Riders. Oh, this, what a game! I'm just, look at this. Absolutely mint condition. Look. Got on the end there, look. Is this going to focus properly? I mean, what's that? I mean, that is like the tiniest scuff there. But you can't, I mean, this is about as good as you're going to get. This is just pucker. Look at that, fucker. Couple of tiny little blemishes, look. But I mean, it is about as mint as you're going to get for a game. What is this, 1993, 94? It's got to be about that, isn't it? You know what I mean? That is just the business. I've seriously been waiting for this game to come up for so long. Let's open it up. I'm keen to get inside. So, flappage. I'm pleased I did this. I'm pleased I waited and we did this together, because look at this. Absolutely fucking mint as you like. This looks like untouched, this manual. So, precautions leaflet. That, yeah, that is, look at this. That is ridiculous. That is absolutely perfect condition. And the reason I sniffed it is, I mean, I know it's, you can tell it's legit. It feels real. And the smell, it smells like SNES manuals would do. Do you know what I mean? It's not that horrible, like that reproduction ink shite. This is legit. Seriously. The tray's mint. Again, that's all original as well. Game in the bag. Let's have a look at this. Fucking hell. Again, there is not a mark on the label. Not even a fingernail mark, nothing. Look at that. See that? Absolutely pristine condition. Like, pins haven't got a mark on. It's like it's not hardly been used. Now, when I messaged the seller, obviously I asked him about it and said, you know, about offers and that, and he said, I've seen it sell, you know, for X amount, and I was like, yeah. And he said, look, he goes, I've owned the game for many, many years, and he decided to sell his SNES collection off, and he literally just put it on Saturday, and within an hour of him putting it on, I spotted it, and the deal was decided and done. It was done, bought, paid for, within the hour. So I was messaging him for what, 5 minutes, 7 minutes tops, and I bought it. Seriously, just, I can't get over how mint that is. Look, that is just, has that even been opened this side? Do you know what? That has never been opened, that end, I don't think. There's not a single crease. Because normally with the SNES boxes, if you open it on the left hand side, this ends up getting all flattened and creased down because of the way these little locking tabs lock into the flaps here. So you end up pressing that in and bending it all. That has not got a single crease on it. That has not been opened, that end, I'm almost certain. That is the right way to open the boxes, on the right hand side, because you haven't got those little tabs on the top here like you have on this side. So just a pointer there. This is as bad as mint as you're going to get it, and I'm absolutely just fucking lost for words. Seriously, this is like this is the final piece. The final piece of my Super Nintendo puzzle, and like, I couldn't have ended it on a better game. This is just, yeah, I love it. I love the game. I love the I love the orange Konami Palcom box. It's just fucking so good. I'm honestly so pleased I got this. This was not cheap. This was not cheap, but to me, worth every penny. And this will be staying in my collection, never going anywhere. I've waited so long for one of these to come up for sale. And again, 3 months ago I missed out by about an hour, half an hour. Again, pondered, messaged, would you take an offer? And he come back and said he would have took the offer, but someone clicked the bite now and bought it, and I did not want history repeating itself. So I just pulled the trigger, and boy oh boy, am I pleased with that. I can't stop looking at it. I mean, it's just mint. Oh, it's perfect. I'm over the moon. Honestly, guys, I'm lost for words. This is, yeah. So to finish the SNES collection on this game, I couldn't have chose a better game to end it on. Guys, I'm waffling. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna slap it on and give it a play. Right then. So I'm doing this old school, recording it off the telly. So I'm not sure if it's going to come out great. Let's find out. So now we've got a double pistol. Go near, next power up. So that basically powers the gun up. So now we've got auto fire, we can hold wire. Watch out for that dynamite. You can pick up and throw it, but I'm just going to avoid it. Oh, it nearly had me. I'm stampede. Boss time. Oh, bollocks. Do you want to do that, really? There we go.
Bury me with my money.
Bury me with my money. Let's call it. So that, in a nutshell, is the game, how it plays. Obviously the levels obviously vary. You've got some horseback hidden levels, you've got some side levels like that. Move on foot. Yep, so this is like on a horse. It's pretty cool. To show you this quickly. So we've got the dodge stuff in the car and these wankers on the horses. cleared them all out. I think now. Almost. That's it. Then we've got the next boss. So I'll just show you this up to this point of the boss and then we'll turn it off. So we'll give you an idea what the game's like, just in case some of you don't actually know what the game's all about. It's a really good arcade port, this game. Oh, you bastard! Oh, that was close. Done him.
You got me.
You got me. I love it. I love the speech. So, guys, that is Sunset Riders on the SNES. Excellent game. And yeah, thanks for watching and check out the gameplay. And again, I shall catch you soon.